What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Jock from Brawl Stars. Now we're going to begin today's lesson at the top of our page with the top edge of the brow. Let's start right in the middle with a point. Now from here it's going to draw a straight angled line going up and then out towards the left. Go back to the center, go up and then out towards the right, towards the same height. Now from the top, draw a short line coming down. And then we're going to add another point. Go straight out towards the side. I want to angle this down and then in just underneath that center point. Down and then into right about there. Go up and then out towards the right. Let's tuck the eye in underneath the brow. We're going to start over on the left side. Let's draw a circle. Going all the way around towards the bottom and then pull that up on the right side. Let's add the point across the bottom, going up in the middle and then back down. And then we'll fill that in black. Now I'm going to trace the eye along the outside, adding 2 points along the side. So start on the top left, coming around and then down to right about there. Now let's add a point, going out and then back in. And I'll finish tracing out the bottom of the eye, coming in towards the middle, then up towards the right side. I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyebrow and the outside of the eyes. Let's line up at the top of the brow, move to the center, add another point. Now we're going to add that spike. Bend this out and then up toward the left, toward the top of the head. Go back to the center, go out and then up towards the right. Now I want to bend this up and then in towards the center point. So we'll start with the left side. Just bending this up and in. Go out and then back down. Let's add a seam going across the center of that spike. Just going to bend this up in the middle and then down. Let's work our way around the side of the head. From this point, go around the eyebrows and then down towards the horn. Let's add a large socket for the horn. We bend this in and then back out towards the bottom. Let's add in the horns. From these 2 points, draw a short line going out. Bend this down and then out towards the bottom. Now from the bottom, I'm just going to angle this up and then out, leaving a little overlap along the bottom of the horn. And we'll go back up to the top, bend this up and then out. From the top of the horn, I'm just going to bend this all the way around and then back in towards the bottom. So go out, down, and then in. Let's add a seam going across the center of the horn. Starting on the inside on the left, bend this down, and then out, and we'll line that up on the right side. Let's go back to the bottom of the horn, draw a straight line coming down towards the collar. Let's layer the collar on top of the head. We're going to step out, bend this in, and then down towards the inside of the jacket. And draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom, to right about there. Let's go back up to the outside of the collar. We're going to bend the body, going out and then down. And we'll curve this down and then in towards the inside of the jacket. Now from the top of the collar, let's step down, add a curve, going down and then up. Step down and draw that again. Let's go to the outside of the eye. We're going to add a trim coming down toward the top of the collar. Let's move to the center. We're going to add a large V coming down and then up. And then from the ends, we're going to bend this out and then up towards that trim. Now let's add some detail to the jacket. We're gonna start with the bottom edge of the collar. We're gonna step down, add that same curve coming in. Along the bottom, we're gonna add that same thickness, coming down and then in. Now you want to add a thin stripe inside the collar and the bottom of the jacket. So we're going to add 2 more lines going across the center. Do the same thing on the right side. We'll do the same thing across the bottom. Let's add the pockets along the side. Starting from this point, bend this up and in. Let's flatten off the end with a straight angle line going up towards the side. Bend this back out and then down. And we'll add 2 large buttons over on the left side. 1 circle on the top and 1 on the bottom. Let's add that large metal in the center of the body. Starting from the bottom of the collar in the middle, draw a large circle, going all the way around and then back up. And then across the top of the collar, draw 2 straight lines. Let's angle the ribbon out towards the right and draw 2 straight lines coming down the side. Pull this up towards the middle. Let's add a simple star in the center of the metal. Coming down the sides. And then we'll just work our way down towards the bottom, back up towards the middle. From the bottom corners of the jacket, let's step in, draw 2 straight lines coming down towards the bottom of the shirt. Connect the bottom with a curve. Coming down, and then we'll bend that up. Now we're going to tuck the body in underneath the shirt. From the bottom corner on the left, let's step in, curve the body coming down, go across the bottom, and then pull that up towards the right. Now I want to bend the tail coming back down towards the side. Let's round out the end of the tail. Now I just want to taper this back in towards the side of the body on the right side. Let's add that trim across the bottom. Just going to line up with this line underneath the shirt, come down and then bend that in. Let's line up the right line coming all the way down, come down and then bend that out. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start from the bottom of the pocket, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist with a short curve. And then from the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, and curl around the bracket and then bend that in. Go out to the side, add the 2nd finger, and then the 3rd finger is going to round this out, blend into the arm, going up and then in toward the top of the body. Let's separate the sleeve, starting from the top of the thumb, then this up and then out. Let's move up and draw that again. Now I'm going to add that thin stripe in the center of the cuff with 2 curves along the middle. And then we'll finish off with a couple spikes across the top of the tail. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Jock Stu from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. We've got some exciting news to share with all of you. We're offering a variety of incredible options to level up your art skills. Join our exclusive masterclass memberships for just $1 a month, or catch more free tutorials on our Excel sketch channel every week. Don't miss out on any of these amazing opportunities, so subscribe or join today.